Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 15th of August 2016. So the market sideways before the consumer sentiment figures that were out at 3 p.m. The market filling this trade just before it is a high impact news item, but not a super high impact like the FOMC and the non-farm payroll. And again, that's down to whether you want to trade it or not. I did, in the hope that the figures would come out better than forecast, and they actually came out lower at 90.4. They were forecast at 91.5, and previous, of course, they came out at 90.0. So you'd expect them to actually move higher, but no, that wasn't to be the case. I'll just get back to the right place. There we go. And we see the market struggling with the 18,600 level. That's what the red line is there, the psychological level. The market goes through that, but then comes all the way back and takes this one out for a loss. Decided to stay at it because the volatility had increased a bit on the downside there, just to see. And then of course you've always got the plunge protection side of things to bring the market back before the close. And if we just move on a bit, you can see there we've got the market finding support at the 18,550, and then a sell signal. This is followed by a buy signal, and then it takes a couple of hours before the market actually allows us to come back to the scalp and actually take back the loss. So a bit of a break-even day, a bit of a boring day, and no doubt more of this to come as we go forwards this week as well. We do have the FOMC minute meeting on Wednesday, so we may see things tick up a bit before that, but other than that, we're still in the summer holiday vacation period, so we can expect more of the same. In the daily chart, switch to the software, you can see there we headed back towards the all-time highs, didn't quite make it, and the market then coming off and then coming back just before the actual close. News wise, tomorrow what have we got? Anything that's going to move the market? Let's have a quick look. Monday, nothing. 130 Empire State Manufacturing Index is out. After that there is absolutely nothing, so we can expect more of that sideways move, unless of course something comes out of nowhere to move the markets. On the implied volatility, up slightly on Friday, 932, because the market dropped 50 points and then recovered. But we can see that the historic volatility has absolutely fallen out of bed now. So whatever happened with the figures across this point have since been corrected, and now the market, or the chart, looks like it actually should do. So that's really it for today. There's not a lot to report. I will see you in Tuesday's Market Alert. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.